guys, so today I have partnered up with Walmart and this time it's going to be a beauty haul. I'm not sure if these are new or if they're just new to me, but some really nice fall makeup items that are drugstore price, that are not going to break the bank, that you can create really beautiful looks with. I did create this lip combo that will be on my TikTok and my Instagram, so I'll have that link down below so you guys can check it out because I feel like it's like the perfect kind of berry tone for fall, which I absolutely love. I don't like super dark lips, but I like to go a little bit darker or like a little bit more berry toned in the fall, and I feel like this actually matches really well. This is from Walmart too, so I will have this linked down below. I think this is new. I don't know, I've never seen it before, but it's the L'Oreal Elvive Glycolic Plus Gloss Shine Boosting Shampoo and Shine Boosting Conditioner. First of all, packaging is really cute. Smells, I don't even know what the smell is, you guys, but it's so good. When I was shampooing my hair yesterday, me and Jay were in the shower and he's like, God, that smells amazing. It smells like a perfume, but I can't figure out what perfume it would be. It's kind of like floral. I don't even know. It's so good. Glycolic acid to laminate the hair cuticle for more shine. Hair is smoother, glossier, and more manageable. And that's actually true, you guys. Jay was brushing out my hair yesterday. I was having like a spa moment and I had a face mask on. He's like, oh babe, your hair looks so pretty. Do you want me to just brush it? And I was like, I'm not going to say no to that. And he's like, God, your hair feels so soft. Like it was so silky, so soft, so shiny. And I hadn't even like styled it yet. So yeah, basically if you want your hair to be like incredibly shiny, soft, and silky, and just like, it just felt like different hair. Like it felt like hair that I'd never felt before. Like it was, I don't know how they do it, but it's incredible. So I'm obsessed. And then I just curled it this morning and like, look how shiny my hair is. The little serum, this is the Glycolic Plus Gloss High Shine Leave-In Serum. So you can put this on your hair when it's wet or dry. I put it on my hair when it was dry. It's got a 4% glycolic acid complex. It's the L'Oreal Elvive. And basically I just did 2 pumps. I thought it was gonna be a spray, but it's not. It's a serum, which is pretty big for a serum because I do realize like life is tough, things are expensive, and if I can find you guys more affordable options that actually like are worth it and work and make your hair or, you know, whatever, skincare, face amazing, then I'm excited because then I can share it with you guys and you guys can try out some products that are not going to break the bank, because the truth is like stuff is getting pricey and this is actually so good and it's affordable, so we love that. Next thing I got was the mascaras. I have been seeing these all over. So this is the Colossal Bubble Mascara from Maybelline. I already used it today, so that's what's on my eyeballs. But I actually mixed it with this. So I did this on my lower lashes and then I also did this on my top lashes and then I put the Bubble Colossal over. So this is the Lash Sensational Sky High Burgundy Haze. So it's actually like a plummy kind of colored mascara. Do you guys see that? So I actually put it on the bottom lashes and I feel like it like really pops the eyes. It's just really pretty for fall. I love a burgundy plummy tone in the fall. I think it's really pretty on that like lower lash line. And then this is the Bubble Colossal. So it's kind of got like a twisted brush. And I'm actually really impressed. I think my lashes look really good today. I'm excited to see how they wear. So far they have not made my eyes water, which that's always a bonus because you guys know I do have issues with that. And I just feel like it was like nice to apply. It didn't get all over my eye. It wasn't messy. And for a drugstore mascara, I mean, honestly, I feel like my eyelashes look better than when I do it with my high end. So maybe I have found a new favorite mascara because like so far it's looking really good. I have been dying to get this, but every single time I tried to get it, it was not available. This is the EOS 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion in Strawberry Dream. Guys, if you guys like a strawberry milkshake type of smell, it's like a vanilla strawberry, you're gonna love this. And it's sparkling strawberry, pink sugar, and vanilla cream. It legit smells like strawberry milkshake or strawberry ice cream. It is so good. It smells incredible and it stays on the skin so long. I put it on when I first got it just to test it out, and all day I could smell it. All night I could smell it. The next morning was finally when I couldn't smell it anymore, but it lasted so long. And then I also got the Jasmine Peach. This one is so beautiful as well. This one is apricot nectar, sparkling jasmine, and vanilla sugar. So kind of like a creamier, like peachy kind of floral scent. God, it's actually so beautiful. It's kind of cleaner, a little bit more crisp. It's actually really pretty. So if you don't want something that smells kind of like sweet and like super vanilla, like I don't want to say sickly, but that one's very sweet. This one is a little bit more fresh, a little bit more floral, still kind of like vanilla creamy, but like not as much. So those two are winners, and I actually love the packaging. I also got this, never tried it before. Guys, what was I doing? What have I been doing with my life? This is so good. This is the Super Slick Brow Glue from Maybelline. It's so nice because it doesn't look flaky or like white. It's completely clear. So when you guys put it on your brush or your brow hairs, it's just clear, but it's like glue. Like it's gluey. So it works almost immediately. Like it was laying my brows up so well, and my brows are kind of annoying because I used to laminate them. They're really like just stupid and all over the place. They don't lay down like I want them to. I stopped laminating because I kept on feeling like they were making my brows like more ornery. And so they kind of just like want to go all over the place. And so like they actually look, I mean, look at them. They're laying down so well. So that is really, really good. If you guys are looking for a good, affordable, sticky, non-flaky, non-white brow gel, I put it on after my foundation was done and it did not disturb my foundation at all. I'm obsessed. Why have I not been using that? Like, I actually found some really good stuff today, guys. I also got the Sabrina, I didn't even know this existed. This is the Sabrina Carpenter Sweet Tooth Me Espresso. It's like a coffee flavored perfume, and Jay loved it. He was obsessed. So it's the, it doesn't have the notes. Well, dang, I don't know what the notes are, but it's basically kind of like a coffee, kind of sweet. I feel like it's got some kind of cacao. It's very, very strong and very unique. So if you guys don't like super strong scents, you might not like it. It kind of has, it almost reminds me of like the same kind of scent family as like Baccarat Rouge, where it's like really intense and really strong. And it's like you either like it or you don't like it. You know what I mean? It's like very like, I feel like it's a very specific scent, but like it's very edible, baked good, but like with a coffee. To me, it kind of smells like you've gone to a coffee shop and you're like having a super strong coffee, and then you're also having like some kind of like baked good, like a croissant or maybe like an almond cake. I don't know. It's like quite like edible. There's definitely some kind of like edible like cacao or vanilla cream. I don't even know the notes, but like it's actually so strong for an affordable perfume. It lingers. This stays on so well. So if you pair it off with that strawberry, like put the strawberry lotion on and then put this on, you're literally gonna smell like some kind of like chocolate covered strawberry with a coffee. Like it's so edible. It's such a good fall scent. It's kind of like a little bit warmer, a little bit cozier, a little bit more seductive and sultry. Like it's just a really interesting scent. Something I don't have at all. Like there's nothing that I own that is like this, and I have a lot of perfumes. It's so hard to describe, but it's actually so good, so interesting, and it lingers like nobody's business. Plus it's such fun packaging as well. I have her pink one, which I love. That one's gorgeous. It's like, I think it's just called Sweet Tooth maybe. I don't know. It's really yummy though. Actually, I feel like if you mix those two together, oh, you know, maybe I should do that. This is the other one that I have from her. And like, they're all just looking like a little chocolate bar. They're so cute. So let's spray. Oh God, that one's so gorge. That one's just like so sweet and yummy. Yeah, I feel like if you mix those two together, you guys, they're actually such a good little combo. Also, I changed up my room because I got a new vanity. I'm like back in the good spot. Those right there. Yeah, I smell so good. That's a good combo, you guys. So definitely try that out. Add it to your cart. Add it to your cart. So I got 2 of these e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balms. I got Strawberry Shortcake, which I have on today, and then I also got Yummy Gummy. So Strawberry Shortcake is like a little bit more of like a peachy kind of nude tone. I'll put it on so you guys can see. So see, that one's kind of like peachy and nude. They smell so good, you guys, like a Mamba or something. They're delish. Very glossy, like look at that. And then Yummy Gummy. I thought this was really nice, just wear like when you have nothing on and you just want a little tint to your lips. This is definitely more fall appropriate. I just gotta fluff out my nose. It's more like a plum color. Like look at that. It's like the color of my sweater. Let me mix them together. They smell so good, you guys. Okay, so you're gonna do, oh my God, that's so pretty. I'm like, look how glossy they make your lips look. Stunning. And then this is what you're gonna put on top. This is, I'm obsessed with it. Rose Glow 008 from Revlon. It's like their sparkly glimmer one. Super lustrous glimmer. The packaging's really cute. It's like very festive for the holidays, I feel like. Like that would be a cute little stocking stuffer. I'm already talking about Christmas, loser, but you know what? I love it. And then this has little pink and purple sparkles in it. I love the wand. It's super fat. It's done a lot of product. I'm sorry, but is that not the most beautiful fall lip you've ever seen? Look at the sparkles. Those are so perfect. And I have it on with, where's the lip liner? This is the lip liner. Guys, these do not budge. They literally, I could not get them off my hand when I was doing swatches. These are the Instapout lip liner. This is in the color First Move from Hard Candy. I actually got 4 different shades. I'm gonna put them on the bottom of my hand because it like wouldn't come off earlier. So that's the color I have on, which is like literally the color of my sweater. It's like a really nice kind of like mauvey berry tone. I got the color, and they do have a little brush on the bottom, which is so cool on like both. So you can switch the sides. Then I got the color, what is this color? Boyfriend, which is a little bit more brown, a little bit darker. Then I got the color, oh wow, that is warm. Kiss and Tell. It's a little bit more of like a chocolatey kind of warm brown, kind of pretty for fall. And then I don't know if I'll ever actually wear this one, but this is called Summer Fling. It's pink. And I also got this one from Revlon. This is called the Dallying 002 Color Stay Multi-Liner. Again, has a little smudger brush, which I really like that all of these have that. Drugstore makeup is, they're stepping it up. Okay. So this one's a little bit more mauve toned and a little bit deeper, very similar to the one I'm wearing today, but a little bit deeper and a little bit more kind of like berry mauve toned. Really creamy. All of these are very creamy, glide on like butter. Like seriously, so creamy to apply. And then watch this. The only one that came off was the Revlon. Like literally, they don't budge. Like I'm having to wipe so hard. And I was like on the opposite part of my hand, it was like not coming off. I feel like they come off a little bit easier on this part of the hand, thank God, which is why I did it there. I was trying to blend this out. You don't have a whole lot of work time with it. Like you put it on, you better blend that sucker immediately, because I was trying to blend it and it was not blending. Like it dries as if it were a stain. Like you put it on, boom, dry, not coming off, not smudging, not budging. If you guys are a little bit older and you do find that you have like little wrinkles around your mouth, maybe you're a smoker or maybe you're just getting older and you do find that your lip liner is bleeding, definitely grab that one because it's not gonna bleed, it's not gonna budge, it's not gonna smudge. Like if you want a red lip, actually, I wonder if they have a red lip liner because I love a red lip, but I feel like it's hard. They sometimes smudge and bleed and then you look like a hot mess. I'm gonna see if they have that in a red color because I feel like that would be so good for the holiday season, for Christmas time, because it literally does not move. Like it is insane how well it stays on your lips and does not bleed in any way. I also got this little lipstick. This is the Shine Glossed Up Rose. It's the Revlon Super Lustrous in the color 05. I've not tried this yet. Oh, you guys, look at that shine. It's the perfect kind of pinky berry, like sheer tone for fall. I feel like that, no scent, really nice formula, really glossy. It's almost like a gloss in a lipstick. So I feel like that's actually beautiful for the fall. And then I also got the Lifter Gloss Plus Hyaluronic Acid from Maybelline in the color Toffee. A really beautiful nude, really pretty. If you guys are looking for a nude lip that's a little bit darker for fall but still quite like light, this is really beautiful. You could pair it off with that the liner that I have on today, and I feel like that would look really pretty. But I think these are kind of plumping. I smell maybe a slight hint of yumminess, but not super strong, not like the e.l.f. ones. The e.l.f. ones smell super duper good. So there's everything that I got from Walmart.com for fall, for some beautiful drugstore makeup. I'm excited to try all these out, maybe create some new lip combos for fall for you guys. It's nice to have some affordable options for makeup that you can take into the new season, fall/winter, that are not gonna break the bank, that look amazing, they look high end, but they were super affordable. And not to mention, the shipping from Walmart is literally so fast. Like I have Walmart Plus, so I just had this delivered the same day. I feel like these may be shipped. There was a couple of items that weren't available at my store. So I had some of the stuff deliver in like literally 2 hours. And then I had some that came the following day. So the shipping is super quick. And then if you do have that Walmart Plus, it does make it really nice because you can literally get it in like 2 hours. And then if you're like dying to try this out today, it could be that you could literally not even leave your house. It'll show up to your door in a couple hours. Just saying, you need Walmart Plus. But guys, definitely check these out. So pretty. Let me know which product sounds the most exciting to you. Definitely try out this shampoo, guys. If you want your hair to, honestly, I need to tell my sister ASAP. It is incredible. I've never been more impressed with a shampoo and conditioner right off the bat. Like after using it one time, I could absolutely tell a difference. This is so amazing. It smells incredible. My hair smelled so good all night last night. And the fact that it's like so shiny, it's shiny to my ends. I've never seen my ends look that shiny, I don't think. Like, what is happening? It literally looks so, so good. Like, it's so healthy and soft and silky. I'm obsessed. So definitely give that a go, guys. Give me a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Okay guys, the rest of my order just came in, and oh my gosh, when I opened the box, it smelled so, so good. These smell insane. So this is a limited edition Olay Glinda's edition with notes of raspberry and bubbles. It's called the Couldn't Be Lovelier Hyaluronic Serum Body Wash, and it's like a collab with Wicked. Oh, it smells so good. It is literally, the whole box smelled like this, and it hadn't even spilled. Like, oh my God, it's literally raspberry yogurt. Like, it smells like raspberry yogurt. It's so yummy and fruity and creamy and delicious. Plus the packaging is gorgeous. So, and then they also have this one. This is the Wickedly Wonderful Elphaba's edition. Notes of cashmere woods and lime. Very creamy and cashmere and a little hint of zest. So love that. Talk about the vanilla lotion for fall. This is so unbelievably cozy. It smells incredible. This is the Jergens Vanilla Crush Shea Fusion. It's cozy vanilla, toasted almonds, and warm sugar. This is like the fall vanilla. It smells cozy. You're sitting on the most cozy couch with blankets, and you've got little vanilla candles everywhere, and you're eating some kind of deliciousness. It smells so incredible. Oh God. You can definitely smell the toasted almonds. Like, it has a very kind of toasty, almost like s'mores. Yeah, maybe that's what it reminds me of. Or like a creme brulee or something. Honestly, it's so good. It's got vitamin E and shea butter. It's so nice. It rubs in really, really quickly. And I feel like this would be the perfect base for any kind of like vanilla scent, because it smells so, so good, you guys, but it's very toasty, like very toasted almondy. The last item I got was the cedarwood and crushed mint. I got this for Jay. This is a body wash, and you guys, it smells like cedar and mint. Like, it's so Christmassy. Oh, it's messed up. Oh, it's so cedary with like a hint of mint. It just smells like Christmas time. So if you guys are looking for the perfect like festive scent for the holidays, this one is it, but it's not like too cedary. I think because of the mint, it kind of makes it a little sweeter. It's really, really good. It smells incredible. So that's everything that I got from Walmart this time around. I will have everything linked down below. A huge thank you to Walmart for partnering up with me for this video. While we're here, I need to top up my lip gloss. So let's just try out this toffee. What is it called? 027 Toffee Lifter Gloss from Maybelline, because I don't think I tried that on for you guys. Ooh, look at that. That's actually really pretty for fall. Gorgeous. That's actually really pretty. No sparkles or anything, just very simple. I'm loving it. Let me know which products stood out to you and which you guys will be grabbing, and I'll see you guys in my next one.